Is it time to buy or sell KULR Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into KULR Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 13th of August 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 12th of August, 2025, our system has ranked KULR Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.42. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 1.7%. This results in an average return of 0.85% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests within the lower range of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $4.76 is breached, it may first signify a slower rate of ascent and could also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the present 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 169.16% over the coming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 137.94% to 419.21%. In terms of longer-term projections, our 12-month analysis forecasts a change of 147.66%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 32.16% to an increase of 253.88% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $3.66 and $19.07. Our latest daily update for KULR Technology Group highlights that it was a positive day on Wednesday for KULR Technology Group Inc. stock, which gained 1.7%. The stock price of KULR Technology Group Inc. experienced an increase of 1.7% on the last trading day, specifically on Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025. The price rose from $5.30 to $5.39. This marks a consecutive gain over 4 days. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 5.43%, with a low of $5.16 and a high of $5.44. While the price has increased on 6 out of the last 10 days, it remains down by 2.36% during this period. Trading volume decreased by 91,000 shares, with a total of 1 million shares changing hands, amounting to approximately $5,820,000. It's important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $7.94, while the lowest price was 20.5 cents. Currently, the stock price sits 32.12%, or $2.55, below the 52-week high of $7.94, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. KULR is in the spotlight today as the company holds its second quarter 2025 earnings call at 4:30 in the afternoon Eastern Time. Recent headlines ahead of the call include KULR's deployment of 3,570 Bitmain S19 XPs, which pushes its capacity to about 750 petahashes per second, with a target of 1.25 exahashes per second by late summer. Additionally, the company has expanded its Bitcoin treasury to approximately 1,021 Bitcoin after making about $10 million in purchases at a weighted average price near $108,900. In June, KULR completed a 1-for-8 reverse split and has exhibited high intraday volatility in recent weeks, coinciding with new institutional buying activity. In the short term, the earnings report and management commentary regarding mining ramp, hashing costs, and treasury strategy are likely to lead to significant movements in the stock. Investors will closely monitor headline metrics and any guidance regarding miner leasing, hosting costs, or further Bitcoin purchases. Over the longer term, the successful execution of large-scale mining operations, along with a substantial Bitcoin treasury, could materially increase revenue and implied asset value. However, outcomes remain closely linked to Bitcoin price fluctuations, hash price margins, energy exposure, and execution risks, meaning that potential gains come with considerable volatility. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned KULR a buy rating alongside an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned KULR Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for KULR Technology Group. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite a rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been noted, potentially impacting short-term developments. KULR Technology Group Inc. currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it is expected to encounter resistance at a price of $6.06 from the long-term moving average. Conversely, if the stock declines, it may find some support at $5.28 from the short-term average. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would issue an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative sentiment. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, June 30th, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 24.4%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 32 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 37 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for KULR Technology Group. KULR Technology Group Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $5.26. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 280 cents between its high and low, which is equivalent to 5.43%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.45%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for KULR Technology Group, let's first cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -12 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for KULR Technology Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for KULR Technology Group is at $6.25. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, KULR Technology Group encounters its first support level at $5.26. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for KULR Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 6th of June, 2025, Yamamoto J. Koichi conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 6th of June, 2025, Yamamoto J. Koichi conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 6th of June, 2025, Schwartz Aaron I conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 23rd of May, 2025, Mo Michael conducted an insider sale of 92,448 shares of common stock. On the 31st of March, 2025, Cantor Sean conducted an insider sale of 99,857 shares of common stock. Based on the 73 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of approximately 59.952. Overall, insiders purchased 21,844,801 shares and sold 9,420,584 shares in the last 73 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is KULR Technology Group stock a good buy? The stock of KULR Technology Group Inc. shows several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that KULR Technology Group Inc. will underperform in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock is unfavorable. After examining the volatility and fluctuations from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is inflated. For trading on Thursday, the 14th of August, we predict that KULR Technology Group will open lower by 6 cents and begin trading at $5.33. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at StockInvest.